طيب يا شباب، السلام عليكم. Today we will talk about the traveler diarrhea. هي كيس كيس أمريكا في باكستان. من الكومن cases وهي simple case. You can pass it simply إن شاء الله. The patient came to you mainly young, around 30 years, male. Start to say that I have traveled to Australia recently, and after I come back I develop watery diarrhea, 1 or 2 motion per day, not more than this. No bloody, no blood, no mucus in the stool, and he's okay. He didn't suffer any or he hasn't any symptoms like dizziness or signs or symptoms of dehydration. Just he worried because he went to bathroom twice, and his stool is watery. It's very important, as I mentioned now, ask about the onset, course, duration, but mainly the patient, he will give you this onset and course and duration. Your rule here just to ask about the red flag, if this patient has symptoms or he has symptoms of dehydration. Okay, it's very important to ask him about if he received any counseling or any vaccination regard his journey before he went or not. This is the second tricky or the second very important part in this case, to check if this patient received vaccine or not. He received not just vaccine, receive also advice to practice protective sex and not eat from outside mainly, unlike this, and if she is female, if she is pregnant or not also. And sorry, this patient came from Australia. The patient came from Australia, not come back from Australia. Come from Australia to visit Pakistan. He live in Australia already, and he just came to visit here family, and like that. After 3 days, he developed this watery diarrhea. And it's very important to ask him about the habits, if he smoke or drink alcohol or not, and if he want or practice sex, as I told you.